Well, my toaster oven took crap on me, so I'm gonna take crap on it. I got this 1,000-piece firecracker bundle, and got a new toaster oven on the way. This one has served me well for a long time. It really breaks my heart to have to do this, but I had to. So anyways, for YouTube content, I did tape the door shut. I don't think it's gonna blow open. You never know. The grass is a little tall, but it's winter time, so I shouldn't have to cut it. Either way, try to focus in on the toaster oven here. Still recording? Still recording. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it tried to blow the door open. How about that? Let's just open her up there. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that's smoky. That's easy to clean up the scrap, though. Look at that. Imagine if I had to pick that up out of the yard. Screw that. Well, rest in hell, you son of a bitch.